Hi children, welcome to today's science class. Today's class will continue learning about cooking food. In the previous class we learned about the raw and cooked food, and also we learned the different methods of cooking. So in today's class further we learn about cooking. Yes children. So in your home, in the kitchen, you might have noticed different types of vessels are being used. Even many appliances like mixer, grinder, electric oven, juicer, all these are used to cook. So when your mother, when she want to, mother or father, when they want to prepare anything, you might have seen them, they are using different types of vessels and appliances to get it done. And if you take any one dish, your favorite dish, for example, yesterday you all said you like to eat chips, potato chips. So to make the potato chips, you need the potato, yes. Then what else we need, children? Only with potato, and after chopping everything is ready. So many ingredients we'll add, and we need some vessels to cook it. And also we need some other appliances also get that work done. That's what today we are going to learn. Today's topic is cooking utensils, means the vessels. See, vessels also, the sizes will vary. If suppose we are cooking for 2 people, a small vessel is enough. If you are preparing for a function and all, so much we need big vessels. You might have seen so many spoons, small, big, lard, and so many things we use in the kitchen to get the food done with any method we are using. And also different appliances we use for grinding it or chopping it and all. So now here you can see some pictures, children. Can you see some pictures of some of the vessels you might have noticed at home? Can you identify this, children? This is the kadai, right? A kadai, just of a chip sweeter. So this is kadai. We call this kadai as oak. This is a oak. So in this oak, what type of food will be getting cooked, children? Commonly, what for your mother will be using? Both side hand will be there. Kadai, what for she will use? Yes, to fry something she will be using. Mostly for deep frying. Deep fry like puri, vada, chips and all she is making. She will use this oak, that is the kadai. Then you see like this pot, like different shapes pots will be there. Even some pots will be of, this is also a pot on different vessels will be there in our home. What for they will use this, children? They will use it for boiling. They want to boil pulses, they want to boil the corn, they want to boil milk. They will use this type of, these are the pots of different shapes you find at home. Can you see this, children? Pan. This type of pans will be there. Pans are of different types. Even for making dosa we use a pan. Even this pans today used for shallow fry. Some curry she is making. So for shallow frying, that is less oil they use, and they make some curries. For that this pan is used. Even the same type of tawa is used for making dosa. Yes, this is a pan here. Now can you see this, children, with the whistle? What is this with a whistle? Something will be there in the kitchen. What is that, children? Very good. It is a pressure cooker. So pressure cooker, what for they use? They use it for whistle they'll keep, and they use it for cooking rice, dal. Yes. So for boiling only. This is boiling. Even sometimes without the whistle, steaming also can be done using the pressure cooker. Without whistle, they'll use it for steaming. Inside they'll keep the oil, idli. Momos can be made using such type of pressure cooker. So depending upon the method what we are going to cook the food, we will use different vessels. Not only these four, so many will be there. Even some of your home you will be having electric oven. If mother want to make a biscuit, she will use that. And solar cookers will be there. In that also you can keep under the sunlight, and you will be cooking the rice or dal. So different vessels, they are also only called as utensils, are used for making different types of food. And if the vessel is ready, is it enough, children? So now pot is ready. You want to get the eggs boiled. So you will fill it. For boiling means you need water. You want to make puri. Frying means you need the oil. Steaming means again you want idli. Little water you have to pour, and then only you will keep the idli stand, and your mother will be pouring that. So different things we need, different vessels we need, and after that what we need, children? For all this, water is ready. You kept the eggs ready. What you have to do? You have to keep it on the stove. Very good. So the stove, the flame will come, and from the flame only the food will get cooked. So to get that flame, different things we use as a fuel. In villages you might have seen wood they will use. In your houses you might have seen This gas cylinders are there, they are LPG, liquid petroleum gas is there inside, that is used. In some places we, as I told you, electric cookers are used. Electric cookers like our, without flame only it will get the food done. So different types of fuels are used to get the food ready. So here these are the utensils to use the different methods. Apart from that, to mix it and all, we use the big spoons to eat, small spoon like that. So many vessels and utensils we use at home. As I told you, if suppose idli is going to get in the pressure cooker, we need the batter. For the batter to get ready, a grinder, a mixer. So they are the appliances to which will use electricity and they will work, or the sunlight and work. So like this, many things will be there in the kitchen. Let us just look at what are the different things used for fuels. So just now I said a stove is needed to cook. So the stove will use some fuels. So a fuel can be coal, can be a fuel, LPG can be a fuel, wood can be a fuel, sunlight also we use, and so all these are the different fuels we use to get it cooked, to get the heat and cook the food. So stove, you all know the different types of stoves will be there, no? Gas stove and the electric stove and all. Now, then the vessels which we discussed, those children, they are made up of, so now I draw this, one pan. So this pan, this is there, no? It is made up of a metal. Generally we use stainless steel. Steel is an alloy, mixture of two metals, and you might have seen copper bottom vessels at home, Indian vessels at there, aluminium vessels at home. All these are metals, children. So why we use only metals to make the vessels, utensils? Utensils are made up of different types of metals. Why, children? Why can't we make with wood? Can we make on wood pot and we can boil potatoes in that? Why? So it will catch fire. So metals will be, they will correctly, they will take the heat from the flame and they will get the food cooked. That's called, they are good conductors, and also they are very strong. If you keep a glass jar on the stove, what happened to the glass jar? It will break. So then also there is so many metals, so many materials are there, but we can't use all for getting the food cooked. No. So that is why metals are used. Why? Because they are hard or strong. You can use any word, hard or strong, and also they are good conductors. They will not burn. They are good conductors of heat. So that is why we use most of the vessels we use, utensils we use. Appliances also, mixer, grinder, you can see they are made up of stainless steel. They won't get the stain also, they won't get rusted. So many good qualities are there. That is why we use, properties are there, we use the metals for making the utensils. So in your kitchen you would have seen different cookery ways. Even the crockeries also there. So for eating and all, we use the ceramic plates. So many things we use for eating also. But cooking, you have seen vessels made up of metals. So now you already, all of you know the methods of cooking and different vessels used for cooking. So what all today, oak, I said oak is kadai, then the pan, frying pans, and then the pressure cooker, solar cooker, and also we saw the boiling pots. And most of them are made up of metals only. All of them almost only in the oven means glassware will use, because metals are hard and they are good conductors of heat. So now it is the time for us to see what is given in your workbook. Please open your workbook, children. Yeah, you can take open S3. Please open S3. Cooking appliances. S3 you can open and see, children. The first question you see, they are given a completing a tab column. Steaming, here is the steamer. Like this for idli making, momos making, we use such type of down water will be there. Water will boil, steam will come up and the food will get ready. They are done. Here second one is what is the name of that, children? Just now I told you, no, it is the pan, right? It is a pan. So what for we can use the pan? First is already done for you. What for we can use the pan? We can use it for shallow frying. There is less oil. Shallow frying, boiling also sometimes we use at home, no? And third one, you draw on your own one of the One of the vessel you draw on your own, and they are asking you to write the method of cooking and utensil used. You can draw any one, even you can simple way you can draw a pot, you can draw. So that name you can write here, pots for used for boiling milk, boiling water, or you can do on your own choice also you can do. Next is the second question you see here. Name the cooking appliance. Can you see what is this appliance? Very good. It is a solar cooker. So second one A is a solar cooker. And solar cooker does it need any oil, any LPG, gas, coal, wood? So how does it work, children? How is cooked in this appliance? Using the food gets cooked in a solar cooker using the sunlight. Using the sunlight only the food will get cooked there. Third question. Which utensil would you use to boil a potato? Boiling potato, which utensil can be used, children? Pots can be used, or else what else they will use? The pressure cooker also they will use, no? To cook it very soft you want, you can use a pressure cooker also. You can write your own answer, pressure cooker, because it will cook. Because the potato gets cooked softly in it, and also it will not lose its nutrients. So this also you can complete. So here you will draw a pot, or you can draw pressure cooker, which one you want you can draw, and the name you write here. Here the name will not come, and which method we are using. And also solar cooker, food gets cooked in the solar cooker using the sunlight and heat. You can add sunlight and heat from the sun, it will get cooked. You complete this, and in that sheet where you draw the raw and cooked food, in that only some of the utensils you can draw, 3 or 4 you can draw, and also you write like what method mostly it is getting used. Pressure cooker, steaming, boiling, all can be done like that. You can select 2 or 3 methods you can write, or only one method, means that also you can write. First thing is you read the textbook, the part what it is given in the textbook, and we will tomorrow's class further. Up to now you know about the raw and cooked food, methods of cooking, and different utensils, and utensils means vessels, and the appliances we use for cooking. Apart from that we use the, as I told you, mixer, grinder and all. So that also spellings, everything, keywords are these utensils only. Utensils, appliances, these 2 spelling you should know, and also whatever we have new words we have, these 2 words spelling you learn, and also whatever words we have new here, you write sunlight, so many other like that you learn, and be ready for the tomorrow's class, children. Let us see in the tomorrow's class. Bye bye, children.